Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, PHARRAWAY. In this video guys, I'm going to show you the tools that I used frequently. That way you can more or less get an idea as to what you guys will need for you guys DIY guys. I know that in a body shop environment there's a lot more tools than what I have, but I'm not in a body shop environment, so this is for the DIY guys. Hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys learn something as to more or less what you guys need to start working on your own vehicles and start fixing your own cars. Okay guys, let's start off with the most obvious, which is the paint mask. Okay, so all these items, I'm gonna leave links below as to where I got them from. So let's get started. This is a paint mask that I use. It's a real good paint mask, never had problems with it. This one's brand new, it's not even open. Whenever you buy a paint mask, it has to say P95, which is the P95. It's recommended for paint. That's all it means. It's recommended for paint, and you won't have any problems with it. You won't be smelling anything. These are real good masks. Okay, the next item will be this stud welder. This one, it's mainly used to take out dents. Back in the old days, you used to drill holes, put a screw in it inside the hole and start pulling. Now it's a lot easier. You don't have to do that. Now you have stud welders, which, going back to the body shop environment, they're more better stud welders than what I have here, but these for home use, they work excellent. I have never had any problems. I've had this for many years, never had any problem, never had to buy another one, and I recommend them. Okay, moving on. Next, you have your sanding blocks, sanding tools, I guess. These have worked really good. They are economical. There's more expensive ones, but I've found out that these work real good for me, so there's no need for me to be spending a lot. Now this one's a flexible one, which works real good within like little rounded areas, so I've used this one a lot. Right there, I don't know if you can see the item number, but I'll leave links below. Okay, next is angle grinder. What I use this angle grinder for is for scraping the metal as to where I'm going to use the stud welder. Okay, in order for you to use the stud welder, the metal needs to be clean. It needs to be free of paint, free of everything. So I use this to grind everything off, and I can start pulling from there. Okay, and moving on, it's my DA. This is the workhorse DA. I've used this a lot. It's a 6-inch, and it's made from Husky. Okay, so I've used this one a lot, and it's real good. I bought this one at Home Depot. All right, continuing, I got this. This is a finishing glazing putty. This you mainly use whenever you put body filler and you're kind of there, like finishing. You can put this glaze on top of the body filler and it'll smooth everything out really good. It also is good for hail damage. You can fix hail damage real easy with this. So this is another tool that I use a lot. I have like 2 more of these. This one's almost empty, but I got 2 more, and I can't stress how much I use this. Okay, now this is another tool that I use a lot. It's the Inline Sander. Right there, this is the brand right there. Now this Inline Sander is I use it for big areas that I need to do body work. This is where this comes in. Okay, This is a real good tool to have. You'll have straight panels with this, and then after using this, I go to something like this. This is that way I can start block sanding with this. Whatever that inline sander didn't get, I'll get it with a block sander. Okay, these are the Dolly and Hammers that I have. Let me open it up so I can show it to you. Right there. These are real good. These are like, I think they're 11 ounces, which is not too heavy but not too light, which will do real good work. This one's the one I use a lot. This is for like flat areas. I use a lot in the fenders where there's a lip on the bottom of the fenders. I use this one a lot. It works real good, and you can't go wrong with a setup of Dolly and Hammers. You need this in your arsenal in order for you to do a good work. Now, one of the last things that I have here, it's gonna be this. This is gonna be, well, this is just a spreader, bundle spreader, but this is real good. This is to mix your body filler or whatever. Yeah, mostly your body filler. It's real good. It cleans up real easy, and I've seen a lot of people use wood and cardboards to mix their body filler, which is okay, I guess. I've never done it, but these are real inexpensive. They're about, I want to say like $3, maybe $4, and they last you a long time. So I recommend one of these also. Okay, and this is basically the beginning of the tools that you're gonna need for you guys, for you DIY guys, to start doing your own body work, your own, so you can start working on your own cars. This is a basic layout as to what you might need, and after that you can just keep on adding to your arsenal as to what you guys need. Okay, all right guys, and this will be it for this video, guys. I'll be making other videos talking about sandpapers, talking about body fillers and all that, so hopefully you guys enjoy these kind of videos. But this video is just for the DIY guy as to what you might need to fix your own vehicles, your own cars, your own dents, and what you might need. All right, so guys, I hope you like these kind of videos. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And have a great weekend. Alright guys, the accordion's coming up. It's already being worked on. So just look forward to that one, guys. It's going to be a color shifting paint. So it's coming up, guys. Okay, so thank you. And like always, God bless.